Air attempt number 3. Start off. This is the effective shingle here. Ripping a little bit there. I'm doing it as light as I can. It's ripping up at the top here. Okay. Again, as gingerly as possible, you can see it's trying to come through there just by trying to get the nail up. Careful. You can hear it kind of tearing. That should be good right there. Now to find the nails. So as you can see, the nails have already ripped through the shingle just because of how brittle it is. So I have to go underneath to actually get the nails up. Trying my best not to lift them too much here, but this nail's really in there. Caught up on something. think all of them from that part. There's a lot of nails in this thing. Gotta go up one more. Not a bad thing, but whoever did this put way too many nails. Not necessary.
When you replace it, I would like just as many nails.
Double.
Whatever that costs.
Gonna have to charge you triple for it. Okay. Nice. One more nail. There she is. All right. That one's really stuck. Again, try not to lift these too much. It would be a lot more helpful if I could lift them higher to get to this nail, but I don't want to damage the surrounding shingles. So I'm trying to put as little bend as possible into these. Really in there. Oh. Whew. Okay. So here's the affected shingle, and as you can see, all of the nails, because of the brittleness, ripping right through. I mean, I had to go underneath just to get them. So, now, it's creasing along these. right there. Crease along here. There's some holes right there. There's a hole from the nail. And just overall, every time I lifted these up, the nails went, just as this one, the nails came right through these as well. Okay, so now we need the new slab right here. Caught up. See, it's getting caught up on the leftover nails that ripped through. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to pound them back down. Okay. Oh. Now for the fun part. It's all a fun part though, right? So as you can see, I really have to lift these to prevent my hammer from doing things like that. I have to try to lift them as high as possible without actually damaging the shingle. Okay. More, and then I'll go one row up, secure them there too. I'm not going to go all the way up top here because I really damage them if I try to triple nail it.
Is it supposed to be triple nailed though?
It should be, but assuming that it reaches all the way up to those shingles. But like I said, if I try to get up here, the way this ridge vent's set up, I'm just gonna tear these.
Yep.
I really don't want to do that. So for the time being, it'll be okay. Just double secured. Oh, I just hammered that into my glove.
At least we got a nice sunny day for this.
Yeah.
Not that bad.
Yeah, it's actually a nice day for once.
Hopefully we can avoid all this snow they're talking about.
Is there supposed to be a lot of snow?
Is there? It looks like it's going further north, but it's still a possibility at this point.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. You never know till the night before anyway.
Yeah.
All right, so real quick,
It looks like the temperature's going to be too high for it to actually snow, so it's going to just probably rain.
to get this last nail in, I'm just gonna loosen up just a little bit to prevent, again, from me tearing this as much as I don't want to loosen that any further. See what I mean? It's really hard to get under this, and if I lift this any higher, it's just gonna rip. You can see it too, it's starting to fold a little bit right there. This one's gonna be a hassle. Do you mind giving your extra hand here just to hold this up?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. All right, one nail back in right there, just to make sure she's secured. Creased up there a little bit too. As you can see, again, it's kind of unpreventable, but just to get the hammer in and out of there, I mean, it's the only way I can repair it. Without ripping. If the shingles were a little bit more flexible, durable still, this wouldn't be an issue, but they're old. Could you come back down here with your hand? It's virtually impossible for me unless I... We're just gonna do, I think I have 3 more. I told you, it's going to cost you triple. Nails are expensive. Okay. Throw one more in there. Okay, here we go. One more like that. hand one more time?
Yep, I was just gonna say.
So I don't rip this one. Alrighty. Alright. So, some creasing up here. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you were to fold this, I mean, it's just bending up and down. Like I said, you got your hammer marks over here, another hammer mark there. I mean, rip corners. Yeah, it would be a lot more repairable. This is ripped too. It'd be a lot more repairable if they weren't so brittle and if I could actually lift them to get under them, but this is as best I could do without further damaging the surrounding area. So I'm gonna go ahead and write repair attempt has failed.